Hi friends, here again is Natalia from MAMATIME or MAMATIME Posh on Instagram and Facebook. And today I have some return to me Thredup boxes too. And this one is the smaller one. And I have a big one, and those are items that were accepted but didn't sell within the time frame. So let me open the box. So I don't know if you guys know what Thredup is. It's pretty much online consignment store. And you can send any women's or kids clothing items or shoes or bags. They do not take jewelry, just so you don't waste your time. And they sell it for you. They photograph it and they list it. It's usually between like 30 days on like mall brands, more popular things, and then you have 60 days on like designer. They always wrap it really nice. This polka dot branded tissue paper. I always save and reuse. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Right? So yeah, if you have questions about Thredup, I'll be happy to answer them for you. I've been selling there for maybe 2 years now, but not very frequently because not everything is worth it. Some stuff they give you like $2, you know. So if I know it's something that's been like stale listing sitting forever, or if it's item I think I would make more money there, then I ship it. But like it's not everything is worth it. So this is the first one. It's Mac Studio, which usually sells pretty good there. And this is like a knit sweater dress, and it has really cool like opening here. You can pick up a shoulder with the ruffle, and it's medium lengths. So it didn't sell within the time frame, so I decided to get it back. I actually bought this dress for myself, but where I live is really hot, so it's not really smart. But I just thought the knit dress were so cute, so I gave it a try. Next thing is Old Navy. I just got this from a friend, and it was just sitting, and I don't really sell Old Navy myself usually, but I shipped it to them. They accepted it. They listed, but it didn't sell. And anyway, I would have got like 50 cents for it there. So, you know, kind of waste of effort. I mean, I would say Old Navy can sell on like eBay or Poshmark or Marcari for like a few dollars. But it's not really like popular. I don't know why, because Old Navy is actually pretty good quality clothes. But I guess they sell it so inexpensive that there's not much resale value. Okay, yeah. What's next is those shoes with Mary Jane, and I got those forever. I got them free from a friend, and they're brand new with tags, but I cannot sell them for anything, so I'll probably either send it back and try one more time. They're Kenneth Cole, but I might either try it again or just donate it. So I really wanted that dress from this box. And then here's the second box, because they sell in different locations. So first item, I have this cute dress, which I bought specifically for Thredup, but I might try selling it myself. It's Max Studio, new with tag, size extra large, like a knit peplum dress, very cute. And this is the fabric. I don't know why this didn't sell, but sometimes it's just, lately dresses don't sell as much. I think now spring is coming, so people will be wearing more dresses probably again. Okay, so this one, Altia, which is 100% silk, like a poncho style top with like raffle, and this is the back. This was my own top, but this is, I believe, sold at Anthropology or Revolve, I don't know, one of them. Next item, I purchased this for sale. It's Calvin Klein smart dress, like navy blue, little ruche detail to the knee. Looks brand new, but Calvin Klein usually sells. It's not like, you know, big money, but you get 20, 30, 40 sometimes dollars, depending what it is. But this one, I guess, is size 4, so it's not super popular size. And like I said, dresses were not selling at the time. You know, spring is more like the season for dresses. This is next top. This was just a little cute top. This little leaves on one side. It's pretty cute. It's nothing special, and Milano is the brand, and size large. So I don't know, I might either send it to them, but again, they gave me like 50 cents, so I might just sell it for $2 myself. This one is Tacoon for Design Nation, which Tacoon is a designer brand, and it sells for good money, but I didn't realize that this was they were doing it for the Design Nation, which is not, you know, not that great. But I think still this is very cute, like maroon. It looks pinkish red on here, but it's darker in real life. Little size large knit dress. This kind of braid knit detail. So I think I might sell it myself. And now, especially like on the beginning of the spring, that might be good. This one is older, tabby tag. It's like a tunic dress, and it's double-sided, so you can reverse and have it on the other style. It's pretty cute. I think the same reason that it's just too springy. Next item is what? Oh, this is Talbot's dress. I guess I sent a lot of dresses that didn't sell. I mean, other items sold, but this is 12. It's like black. I believe this is what, linen, wool, something good. Feels nice. Very nice fabric. This dress also looks new. And this is what? Wool with spandex, so stretchy wool dress. And I'm wondering if I should just send them all back, because, you know, spring is coming. And also career wear is not as popular as it was, and I used to like a good chunk of money on dresses and blazers, and it's like not moving now. And this is Tahari, a petite, which petite doesn't sell as good, but then, you know, you're selling to the niche of people that need petite, so sometimes can help you know, that they are looking for this specific, but it's very cute. Fitted in the waist, with those cute buttons. Also look brand new. And then last item are those sandals, which I have for a while. They're Lucky brand. They're like jelly here, see-through. They're leather and cork, real cork, new with sticker still. And I cannot sell those. I don't know why. I might just keep them. They're a little big, but they're very cute. I don't know. I can't sell them. So that's it for this Thredup boxes. I can make another video of what I'm gonna ship to Real and Thredup now. So let me know if you like this kind of what was returned from Thredup. I guess it gives you kind of insight what they do, except that's my puppy. There you go. And yeah, so if you feel like you could learn some brands, if you found this interesting, you can like this video and subscribe if you would like to see more. All right, thank you so much for watching. Bye.